iVYBZ TV, brought to you by FAIMHUB. Yeah man, I will say iVYBZ, reggae rhythms. Oh, organic are you on the reggae beat? Sing and win, prizes them sweet. Well, when I say reggae rhythm live, featuring Mr. Vibes, you know the check, you know the style. Check, 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 check.
Hey, what kind of a world this would be if everywhere in the world marijuana is free? Tell me what kind of a world this would be if everywhere in the world marijuana is free. Step out of the bush, come on the street side. No more rasta, nah dash where him split flight. Now mash up the weed pipe, so we dump it and clean up your gritty car. Internationally free, we want it locally free, or even globally. I free up the hard working Marie farmer. We just send a jail and take what in 100 pound. Lightning strike when the words them power and sound. Now the government can play in right round the globe legalize it. Herb of it roll, strike up your fire and light up your bowl from me barn. We never hear nobody get bombed because of the good marijuana. Pull it.
Herbalist fund.
Yeah. This week is dedicated to
iVYBZ TV, brought to you by FAIMHUB, the one-stop up for independent artists. Yeah, man, everything independent and Irie. This week, what? Herbs Man Week.
Herbs Man Week.
Herbs People Week. Herbs People Week will be every week.
Yeah, well, at the cannabis.
Where is the cannabis? Where the name they come from?
It's a good question. We have to go ask.
I since me big me know that already now. I tell no lie. I'm not ashamed to since me big, but me I grew up a big me I just ganja me know.
Yeah, well, you know, as you with a ganja and weed.
Just ganja me know straight.
And then
and then herbs,
and then Peter touch can't tell us the ganja one bird bro somewhere. That's all
ganja a rare step. Sorry, tell me about that one. You know, look here, me freedom of expression.
But say herbs. You don't know nothing about.
But that's I don't know that Peter touch there.
You know that's what there. Around there. I just thought, boy, you don't know that tune there. I'm gonna have to go find it, man.
Yeah, man, find it, man. Find it. The woman don't know that tune there.
Well, it's an interview.
I love herbs.
No, what I know. So it's like them I interview him, and it's like them say something about. So what is ganja? And I say, so Peter, what is ganja? And them I say, well, right now, ganja is a bird in South Africa, in Australia.
Never know say ganja is a bird in Australia.
He said, so it's a herbs, a straight herbs. So herb, this one is dedicated.
Herbs after all. Herbs and spices. Herbs and spices make the thing nice. Me don't say nice. You see, the mind frig up when it one rhyme, you see.
Yeah. So it's like, all right.
So I'm gonna get.
That tune, but another interview this, but that tune say I'm not going to jail for ganja no more. You know that tune?
Oh yeah, I think I know that tune. I know that, yeah.
Ganja no more Rastaman now. Pull up.
I'm an herbs people tune that. You want a serious herbs people tune that.
For those who don't know.
Herbs people tune that.
I want if I beat up Peter. Babylon for weed and ganja.
You see, I see the state here now. I have some sister, some sister we have some nice flow for the reggae beat with the herbs too, you know. And one day me come across some, you know. I'm not telling a lie. You ever hear Twisted Sheets? I think I was name Empress Sativa.
Yeah man, Sativa, Twisted Sheet. You know that tune, no man. Twisted. Yeah man, I know that tune there, man. That tune
I don't know no normal herbs if you medipan when you listen to that tune.
Twisted Sheets, the Unconquerable album.
Yes.
So if you don't want to meditate on that tune there, it's a ancient, it's a herb tune and things. You check out the vibration scene. Empress Sativa, Twisted Sheets. So yeah, Empress Sativa have a vibration on a tune called Twisted Sheets album Unconquerable. See? Want to check it out, but I'll give you a P-side still. I'm going to hear what going because this week is dedicated to what?
The herbalist on the reggae beat.
Alright.
Herbalist them on the reggae beat.
Yeah, why? I don't know things set.
Man.
Sheets on purple trees, I be smoking, suddenly, I'm so high.
A big tune, so we have to play it one more time.
Oh my God! Hey, that's song there. I look here and I don't know, look play herbs if you put them to me there, you know.
No man, but you see,
They look at trees that flick the way you have in your mouth.
You talk about pia, me shot your word pan. But you don't know what
I use trees that hold this bliff, you know.
You see, true, me run out and we don't have any. You have to draw for your roach. You understand? So she have talk about my roach, but my roach stronger than fear thing when she have right there. So cause one shot off fight.
Cockroach no good. Too much cockroach no good.
Alright, me I draw for me spliff end. You understand? Spliff end. Car.
No, we don't tail thing.
We don't understand deal with tail.
That's the deal with tail.
Oh yeah, for that tail. You understand?
Nobody remember good up that road there now with the Jamaican man, the man tail. Nobody remember
good up on the tail. We don't work with tail, no kind of tail. You understand?
There's a fire bone for that.
Fire upon a tail.
Fire bone a tail, no tail around here.
Tail rasta tail. Fire upon a tail.
You want the herbalist, Empress. And I see her name Empress Sativa. There's no say a straight herbalist woman that you know. Just see the time, lioness, and the redeem.
Twisted sheets on purple trees, I be smoking.
Lighter.
No, I want the guitar.
Oh yeah. I wanted them.
I want to. Hey, I know. I should have the guitar. I would have strum up some folk on it.
No, we have to carry up on a 101 class, guitar 101.
I would have make some noise with it to say.
A minor, G,
and C. I mean, and I'm a nice state. And I make some mellow noise with it. And I don't business of fat. Who no one listen.
Yeah, man. Empress Sativa, Twisted Sheet, Unconquerable album. See? I think it come out when 2017, about 3 years now.
Yeah, 2017. Man. It's still mellow.
Yeah, man. Still articles, same way. So,
yeah, man.
Sativa, go and big up yourself, see? And militant.
Big up yourself, Empress Panny Blurts now to redeem. Hey.
Yeah, knowledge is power. Wisdom is power, you know. So
Yes,
she
you
go and hold
see,
it strong and solid as a rock. Them can't stop it when.
all the time on iVYBZ TV. What you say?
Yeah, man.
iVYBZ TV.
iVYBZ TV ready for them. You know? By the way, Miss Vibes and Mr. Vibes over there. I will have vibes. So yeah, so you see, FAIMHUB.com brought to you by
And don't forget that the round one for
the sing and
win coming to a close, and when the close off the 11th, no, the 13th
of this month, yeah.
13th round one is closing off the 13th, and the winner will be announced. Well, if we feel happy with what we received, then we'll announce a winner on the 15th.
Yeah. So make sure you get in a submission them, and make sure you check the criteria, and deliver. See, so vibing on a reggae beat, any reggae rhythm, as you say, just send in a vibration one. 90 maximum 90 minutes, 90 seconds.
90 seconds.
Yeah, 30 to 90 seconds. See, so anyway in there, so jump on FAIMHUB.com website, sign up for the standard EPK, and
jump over to FAIMHUB.com
iVYBZ TV, iVYBZ.
All of the information as it relates to Sing and Win. You see, you can see everything related to Sing and Win. And there's a portal there for you to upload to. The portal open, and the portal will be closed on the portal will be closed on the 13th, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Portal,
So
the first segment.
Anything coming after the 13th is not for round one; it's for round two.
Definitely. And please dig deeper on the criteria, because there's some more significant points where you need to check into and make sure say you follow. See?
Yeah, because we want to keep the thing Irie, and no lewd, outrageous, disrespectful, not disrespectful, man, straight off the bat.
Well, no disrespect in any aspect.
Around any at all.
Yeah. And make we go and build the vibes, because we're there with it, see? So submit and I make you see what I go and come and build a vibe, see?
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Reggae rhythm, sing and win. Some nice prizes we have lined up, You think we should give them like a hint for where we're coming around to?
Well, I mean, the most I would say is all these there's gonna be a time when there's cash prizes, and any prize right now moving forward is gonna be significant to your growth. So if it's an artist, you might get a microphone or a guitar, or we don't know. But I guess them that ain't, really say.
Yeah, boy, and it's straight independent artists, right?
Oh yeah,
straight
definitely.
Independent artists, right? To make that clear.
And why independent artists? It's easier to deal with. So if you contact ones to get access to anything. So Zane, we just try to uplift the upcoming independent. I try to maintain and be professional and move forward. Zane? So FAIMHUB.com. You don't know Freedom Artists in Motion, the acronym.
Yeah, man, and check out the corner, check out the blog spot, the corner, and the vlog spot named Predis, and then there's a podcast as well for like promo mixtapes and variety of stuff. So it's an overall platform for the independent artists to showcase, promote, and grow. So
definitely make sure you log in. Feel free to surf around the website and just check out the things that we have to offer, and be familiarize yourself with the program, because it's growing and it's live, interesting, and it's full of vibes. See?
Yeah, man, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to our YouTube channel, and other social media platform. We will be having a newsletter coming out soon. So we can have subscribers will be getting updates as a site update and new information and new material is put out there by independent artists.
Definitely. So, you know, again, come through, send us some comments, let us know what's happening, and we just go and build. See, as you can see and know, we're taking it to the next level, and who want to come aboard, let's work together and build a community. See, Tafari and Najee, iVYBZ TV,
right by FAIMHUB.com.
Yes,
and we are big up some herbalists this week.
Yes, yeah, this week,
the date.
Strictly dedicated.
Too long listen Twisted Sheet, and that was really, really good. Me have a next one for you.
Yeah.
This the one name that tune name Bon the Ganja.
Yeah.
Chezidek. Me pronounce it good?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So we have featured some herbalists on the reggae beats.
Yeah.
Italy. Is that a word? Italy.
Go find out.
Italy is a word. Italy a word. You can't say Italy.
Yeah, man. Italy, no Italy. No Italy, but they say Italy.
Ross, you can't know. Drop off the blood snot. Why no bother with it? Drop off the why no bother with it.
Chezidek. Bon the Collier, Bon the Ganja. Pull it. No bullet.
It's a ganja grow like flowers of the yard.
Hold on, man.
Tell us something, man.
Listen to me, artist, a big artist. I want him to know that. A big artist, Chezzy. Big up yourself, Rasta. Anyway, you're there in the reverse, see? Yeah, man. Chezidek. Bon the Ganja. Bon the Ganja. Yeah, verse now. Once the urban system chemically free. Now, no care.
What Irie Heights Records produce Irie Heights by iVYBZ. Cool, man.
Strange things with him.
Yeah, let me tell you.
Yeah, man. You know, a big thing.
That tune, I know, but them tune motivate you for really going on some like deep conscious state today. You can't just listen to them song and burn herbs and turn up stiff, you know.
No, so you can't. No. When you talk about when you have burn herb, you can't stand up stiff. Period. You have to be in a vibe. So there's a tune that come on, I just strictly skanking and you know me I say. You can't imagine I have quarantine done tomorrow and that song you lead out the people them out of quarantine. Me bombard. Quarantine free.
10 times.
Yeah, man. So again, we have to go draw down that one more time because them say when it's nice you play it twice, but
yeah, man.
You play it 3 times or 4 times because you have a freeway station. We can play it as long as we want. iVYBZ TV.
Yes, it.
Bon the Ganja. Chemically free. Cooler, man.
It's
Cooler,
sweet
man.
to know that.
Itch it up.
That song is sweet to know. I'm not telling her rotting like that song is sweet. That song is sweet.
Man, tell
You say, strange things with him. Some strange things going on in your mind when you listen to that song, eh?
Yeah, man.
Well, strange to the unconscious mind.
Definitely, definitely. Yes, so cannabis corner, cannabis week, herb week. And that we said this a week, It's gonna be a nice week.
Give me some of that name. Give me some of that. You have cannabis, in that ganja, you have cannabis.
Ancient.
Marijuana. Go on again. Start cannabis.
Cannabis.
Ganja. Marijuana. Weed. Ancients. Kushungpeng. I name Kushungpeng.
Yeah, man.
I name them call it Kiki too, right?
Kiki. They're going in a different name,
No, that purpose comes that's like
well, a whole night if you start name out name of the month, that name of purpose conk, orange, this or that, Afghanistan.
It's not like some women don't go to some Najee, do not go there. Hey, it sounds like some women know some things get so near if you really look out. If I know something. You know any other thing apart from the herbs where man get a whole heap of
You're gone too far. You're gone too far. 3 million out of the state, go take it. Nobody, what more you want?
No, sir, it got no, blow some ganja smoke for me with that one, yeah. Blow some ganja smoke.
Yes, you shut up, but you show up because she knows me little blow. The little thing soon done.
You not have no tweezer.
Don't bother with it.
Have no tweezer.
I take my time with my thing. You gotta take your time.
You gotta take your time to smoke your joint. You gotta take your time.
No, you're really giant for Georgia. Giant! It's a giant!
One see there? I think that I beat that.
One giant!
I beat that. Yeah, if that didn't enter any type of competition, it didn't enter Universe competition.
As long as it's in our verse, me good. You have puny, uni.
Puny spliff that.
Yes. Tafari and Najee here, discussing herb week. It's a our vibration on it. Everyone else.
We are sharing vibration.
Definitely. Oneness now, I know tomorrow or next week. Or right now we say oneness. Big up Aliras. I. Every time.
Yes,
Yes, I. Yeah,
so
man.
You ready for my next track?
Well, I could go on like how we are running a selection. It's a herb week, so.
Yeah, I find one artist, but I don't know if you ever hear the name, but I hear the name. Dasanya, I think Dasanya probably old from about 2010. Ziggy Ricardo, Recado, Ganja Smoke in the Air.